If you want to spice up your chats on Messenger on your Android phone, word effects can totally change the game. Word effects let you link certain words to animations that pop up in your chat, like floating hearts, balloons, or fun emojis. Let's dive into how to use this cool feature step by step. First, open Messenger. Get into the conversation where you want to use word effects. Now you will see their profile showing at the top. Click on it. A new window will open up. In here, tap on word effects. In the text box, type the word or phrase you want to add an effect to. For example, I'll write box. Then tap the emoji icon to select an emoji that will appear when the word or phrase is sent. After that is done, tap Add to save the word effect. Now go back to the chat. In the text input area, type the word effect you just created. Like I'm going to type box. Hit the send button, and there you go, your amazing word effect just came to life. And that's how easy it is to create and use word effects in Facebook Messenger. If this video helped you out, make sure to like it and subscribe for more tips like this. I'll see you around.